So we're going to discover how to remember easily the sounds and the sounds of the symbols of the vowels. So we have distinction of the vowels. We have the position of the tongue and also the position of the jaw. So the best way for me to remember the differences of the vowel sounds and their symbols is their remembering their location in the Vitor triangle. So this is the Vitor triangle. Okay, and at the upper part, you indicate there the position of the tongue, front, center, and back. Then at this part here to your left or here to your right, you can write it to the right, you indicate is the indicator of the position of the jaw. This is high, this is mid, and this is low. Okay, so now we divide which vowels should be located at the highest part, then in the middle, or at the lower part. So the first vowel symbol is this symbol. It's a small letter I. It is pronounced as E. Okay, so I want you to practice that. It's E. So what are the words that have this sound? Examples, we have aegis, evening, Aesop, decoy, theater, thesis, precinct, pre-final, preliminary, esprit, 3, diabetes. So those are just samples of the words. Then we also have the next symbol. That's a capital letter I, but it is pronounced as E. It's short E. Okay, so your jaw is a little bit lower than this, the sound E. This one is E. Next, we have samples like idiom, embank, enact, British, Betsy, Monday. So that's short I. So the word Monday is also accepted because it's a variation of English. Then we also have this symbol. Okay, that symbol is pronounced as A. A. So we have samples like apex, Abram, alias, aphid, atheism, steak, tapestry, Beethoven, crochet, sachet, attaché, resume, fillet. Then we have the next symbol, which is like an inverted 3. That's E. So your jaw here is a little bit lower than this because this one is A, the other is E. So your mouth is more open when you pronounce this symbol. So we have samples like anymore, Ethel, Aeschylus, ghetto, deaf, peasant. Then we have the next symbol. We have this symbol. So it looks like a combination of A and the letter E. So how do you pronounce that? It's A. So it's different than this because this one is E, this one is A. Okay, so we have also this symbol, which is different than this. This is A. So super lowest na yung jaw natin dito. So A. This one is A. This one is eh, eh. Okay. So the samples for this symbol is, or for this sound is, like ant, acne, aloe, atom, axis, amateur, plaid, valet, satchel. Okay, so it's different than this because this one is ah. Like for example, the words like aqua, unwrote, untry, olfactory, osmosis, entourage, sorry, pasta, memoir, compound, dolphin, tonic. So it's different than this. Okay, so I hope you hear the distinction between these sounds. Next is we move to back vowels. So from here, your jaw will become a little bit, or will move to its highest position again. Only that the tongue is at the back. Okay, the position of the tongue will be at the back. So we have this symbol. It's more like an inverted letter, small letter C. It's pronounced as ah. Like it's in the words like ah, awesome, alter, origin, organize, dawn, fought, loss, war, gnaw, claw. So it's different than this because you do not say awesome. You say awesome, awesome. You don't say alter. This one is alter. Okay, so it's different. There is distinction between the two sounds. Next, we have this sound, or this symbol, which is a small letter O. It's pronounced as O. We have samples like Olympics, oat, oval, obese, toad, coat, polar, Mona Lisa, hoe, patio, potato. Next is the symbol that looks like a big letter U. Yeah, that one. That's short U. U. So the words, the sample words are oops, could, yours, push, goodness, footage. So it's different with this sound because this one is O. This one is also different because it's O. So you have O, O, U. Then at the highest, your jaw at the highest is a small letter Q. So this is pronounced as oo, oo. So your tongue is at the back and your jaw is highest. Ooh. Okay, so I want you to feel that. I want you to be aware of where your tongue is located while you are pronouncing these symbols. So the sample words are cruel, Tuesday, routine, routine, loo, taboo, cucumber. So these are examples of words that have the symbol of the long oo. Okay, so that's it. And we also have what you call semi-vowels. We have semi-vowels. This is for the stressed syllable, and this is for the unstressed syllable. So this is what you call a schwa. So why are they called semi-vowels? Because they are slightly different from, different from the sounds of the sounds of these symbols here and the sounds of these symbol here. So they're in the middle. Okay, the tongue is in the middle. So for example, if you're going to apply words that have this the sound of a stressed center vowel, center semi-vowel, we have ulcer. Okay, let's take an example for that. ulcer. So you don't say ulcer. You don't say ulcer. You say ulcer. Okay, it's different. Ulcer. You don't say ulcer. You don't also say ulcer. It's ulcer. So it's a semi-vowel. The other is why will we use this one when we transcribe it? Because this is stressed syllable. This is a stressed syllable. So let's differentiate that from the word sofa. Okay. The word sofa, you will not use this symbol in transcribing. Why? Because this syllable here is not stressed. So you will use the schwa sound. Okay, so you say sofa, sofa, sofa. You don't say sofa, you don't say sofa, sofa. You say sofa. Okay, so that's it. That's how we pronounce and we remember. I hope you remember the location of the vowels and their sounds using the Viter triangle. So the distinction is really prominent when you try to pronounce them. E, e, a, a, o, o, u, oo. Okay, so it's different. They are different from each other. So I hope that you remember the sounds and also their symbols.